Hello friends, in this video we will design a stack and implement the parenthesis matching using the stack. So as usual we will include the stdio.h and then we will declare the stack. I am taking the stack as an integer and I am taking a size of 100 and then int top for maintaining the position, topmost position in the stack. And apart from this, I will declare the push operation. So in push I need the item to be inserted, and in this what I'm going to do is top plus plus, initially increment the top, then if top is more than equal to max, that is the 100, that is the maximum size of the stack, in that case we'll say it is a overflow. So we'll say printf overflow means the stack is full, and if you enter something it will overflow the stack. So it will overflow, and top minus minus, because we have incremented the top, so we need to bring it back to its original state. And if it is not so, then what we are going to do is we are going to put the item that we have received on the top of the stack. So with this we are going to insert the value into the stack. Then similarly we'll define the pop. Pop will read the value from the stack. So int item is equal to 0. So it should return a 0 in case the stack is empty, and otherwise it will return the value that is there on the stack. So if top is equal to -1, that means the stack was empty. In that case the printf underflow, that is there is no element to read, so it is an underflow. Otherwise what we are going to do is, else we will simply read the value from the stack into the item from top and then increment the top. So I decrement the top by 1. So this is the push and the pop operations, and here we will return the item that we have read from the stack. So these are the push and the pop. Now let us define the isBalanced function for our program. So we will take a char string, and in this we will receive the string from the main function, and here we will simply take a I, and in the for loop we will have I is equal to 0. I is str of I is not equal to the null character in C language for which indicates termination of a string, is not equal to null. And what we are going to do is we are going to do I plus plus, so till the end of the string we are going to iterate. And now what we will do is, in this if we are reading str of I, string one character we are reading, and if that character is equal to the left parenthesis, we will put a single quotes here because it is a single character that we are comparing. So simply what do? We just push it on the stack. So push the str of I onto the stack. Otherwise, else if str of I that is equal to right parenthesis, in that case what we will do, we will take a char integer ch, and ch is equal to, we'll pop the value from the stack. Now if ch is equal to 0, that means a left parenthesis is not extracted from the stack, we'll simply printf unbalanced string and we will return. Otherwise, what we will do after the for loop, we will again put a check if top is equal to -1. We'll simply say printf balanced. Otherwise, we will say printf unbalanced. Right? And then we will define the main. In the main, we will simply call is balanced, and we will call it with the string as input. So let me say 2 parentheses open and 2 parentheses closed. So we are passing a balanced string, so it should output balanced. And then again I will call is balanced once again, and this time I will pass a unbalanced parenthesis, 2 opening but only a single closing. So let us see how this is going to work. So let me execute it, compile. Okay, and now let us run. So we have balanced and unbalanced as output. For first string, this string which is there, for this string it has output given the output balanced, and for this string it has given the output unbalanced. So I hope this video is useful to you. I have explained parenthesis matching in a previous video, and I'll share the link in the description box. Stacks also I have discussed in a previous video, and I will give the link in the description box. Thank you very much for watching.